Puff puff pass.
What is going on right
puff,
now?
Puff puff pancake.
Don't eat that.
Puff puff pancake.
Me and you cannot eat that.
Bro, which one of you bastards got the dope that was smoking it?
I think it's got weed in it.
What is this?
Pancake.
Get the fuck out of
It's a little crispy. It was left on the grill too long.
I guess I'll take that too.
Anyone else? Would you like
I'll
me to
pass. I'll pass.
slap me across the face with it? That's it, please.
There you go.
I'm sure a lot of people want to eat it now.
So glad I have this camera.
I'm awake.
Well, look at
What's this guy talking about? Wait a minute. Bobby, move.
Bob.
Who's playing?
Bobby, move.
Bob, no, Raul and Paul's playing. Look at this ball of rice.
I can't believe I didn't get that fucking spot. Give me
Sons of bitches.
That's not what happened. That is not what happened.
give me some of your face, man.
He's gotta go. You're out of here.
It's Michigan.
That's it. Michigan! I love it. It's been a while.
The sad part is